her whole body. If her shoulders.
All right, the way that we solve this is we've got one pair of shoes, 30 divided by 3 to find each shoes is 10. So each shoes pair is 10. Then we know that this is 10, so we take away the 10. So 10, two people equals 10. So 10 divided by 2 equals 5 per person. So this is 5, this is 5. Then we know that that's 5, so we give the value 5 to this dude. And we take away 5 from 13 equals 8. And we know that each of these pairs, 8 divided by 2 equals 4. I'm recording this. Then there's only one shoe. One shoe. 2 shoes is 10. So we know that one shoe is 5. We've got the dude, but he's got stuff in his hands, so he might be a bit different. He might actually have the little scarves or something in his hands. If you look, there's something in his hands, so there's something tricking you. But also, one scarf equals 4. So we know that something times, that's 4 for 2. So that's divided by 2. It's actually 2. Don't know what's in his hands because I can't see what it is. Because unless he's holding 2 of those little thingies, I'm not sure. So it equals 5 plus something. I change it to yellow. So 5 plus whatever the guy is holding times 2 equals question mark. So I'm guessing that he might be holding these things. So that's 2, and the dude is 5. So him plus those 2, that's 9. If we wanted to do that, 5 plus 2 plus 2 is 9 equals 18. 5 plus 18 equals 23. Just depends on what this dude's got in his hands, because that's us.